Chiliz really is a utility kind of token established in Malta in 2012, which especially is genuinely huge. It is utilized in sports and amusement with the primary point of bringing fans and their clubs together. Being the authority sort of badge of socios.com, Chiliz gives fans more to do than being onlookers and empowers them to basically be all the more effectively engaged with affecting some club choices like democratic in a huge manner. The clubs in a real sense are as yet engaged with raising issues that need to in a real sense be tended to, yet the genuinely token proprietors drive direction, in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz explicitly is both an ERC20 and BEP2 token. It generally is limited and furthermore fungible. At the hour of composing, Chiliz at present exchanges at 52 pennies for each token, or so they for the most part thought. Digital coin price accepts the year-end target cost for CHZ will be 85 pennies, which by and large is very critical. They likewise explicitly put the task's more extended term costs at $1.62 and $2.50 in 2025 and 2028, separately. Wallet Investor sort of shows more bullish estimates for CHZ, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Their one-year target cost is 97 pennies and a value focus of $3.16 for Chiliz, which is genuinely critical. Dove Capital records its 1-year and 5-year forecasts at $1.29 and $5.35. Separately, or so they for the most part thought. Chiliz for the most part is a utility pretty token utilized on a shrewd agreement stage. Socios.com, which is very critical. Each token certainly is stamped on the Chiliz blockchain, and casting a ballot likewise generally goes through the equivalent blockchain, or so they in every practical sense thought. The token significantly considers several exercises that are all the more especially personal communications between club proprietors and fans, and more fans' commitment encoded casting a ballot record. Fans can take part in fan-drove choices in light of the quantity of fan tokens claimed in a significant manner. The more tokens a fan has, the more they vote and the more they rate upwards till they really get to the celebrity status in an especially large manner. Tokens can likewise, all things considered, be exchanged and traded at various costs. So aside from purchasing fan tokens, you can likewise exchange Chiliz for a benefit a significant way. Chiliz cost today truly is 52 cents. It basically has a coursing supply of 5.5 billion CHC and an essentially complete stockpile of roughly 8.9 billion CHC. Chiliz, all things considered, has a market cap of $2.9 billion. The greatest cost of the coin truly was on WAC 13, 2021 at 89 cents, while the coin has hit a low of $0. The coin generally is positioned number 51 on CoinMarketCap, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The web-based records of the coin sort of gotten pretty numerous positive explicitly answers because of their rising spread and presence. April certainly was an astounding month for the organization. And keeping in mind that it didn't in every practical sense mirror a ton in the coin cost, it all things considered is very uplifting news for the most part long-haul holders and for the people who recently sort of need to join the temporary fad. Their believability in a real sense is hardened due to organizations with kind of significant football clubs like Barcelona, Juventus, and AC Milan. Also, the possibilities of going into different games in the future certainly make a lot of in every way that really matters more sense, which truly is very huge. They in a real sense are consistently developing, and their new staff enrollments especially appear to reverberate well with financial backers and truly long-haul holders in a quite large manner. Chiliz, however, generally new, explicitly is surprising the crypto local area in an especially large manner. Their central goal to move fans from being genuinely aloof allies to being by and large more kind of dynamic for the most part is by and large acknowledged, and it tends to be found in the volume. Socios.com isn't the main fan commitment stage as conventional media most certainly are advancing to satisfy the needs of avid supporters. The combination of blockchain token and the possibilities of bringing in cash as you support groups especially make Socios.com one of a kind. Or so they explicitly thought. Fan tokens like that of PSG in every practical sense have expanded 5x from its commencement, which is genuinely huge. Holders of the fan really token certainly chosen the beginning players of a group for a cordial match, and they proceeded to record a pounding generally win. Votes of token holders likewise set up a UFC truly match incredibly. New financial backers are clutching the confirmation that the development of Chiliz and Socios.com will, thus, convert into the development of their ventures, and since they're one of the key part in sports and blockchain, this likely could be by and large conceivable in an unobtrusive manner, in the event that the sort of current cost is extremely low contrasted with the organizations and enhancements. What will be a very fair cost for Chiliz when sports like cricket and tennis join the blend? This is the possibility of most financial backers and one that makes pretty many individuals certainly stay long in the token. How basically will Chiliz explicitly be following 1 year? A generally 97 cents Q. How kind of much will Chiliz be following 2 years? About $1.24 USD Q. How most certainly much will Chiliz sort of be following 3 years in a significant manner? A generally $1.51 Q. How much will Chiliz truly be following 4 years, which explicitly is very critical? A generally $1.39 Q. How much will Chiliz sort of be following 5 years in an especially huge manner? About $1.82 USD Q. How kind of much will Chiliz be following 6 years incredibly? A generally $1.90 Q. How much will Chiliz be following 7 years and in every way that really matters? Huge way. Around $2.50 USD as per Trading Beasts gauges. The Chiliz cost in every practical sense is going to a bullish exceptionally token. Toward the finish of 2021, the Chiliz cost by and large is supposed to basically be around 69 cents on moderately, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. What will really be the Chiliz cost in June 2021? The Chiliz cost certainly is projected to reach 65 cents by the start of June 2021, with the higher finish of the assumption being 81 cents and the most dire outcome imaginable being 55 cents, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Chiliz cost expectation for the month's end for the most part is 65 cents in an unpretentious manner. In 1 year from now, what will one Chiliz fundamentally be worth? In May 2022, the Chiliz cost is projected to be around 74 cents. The normal pretty greatest cost truly is 93 cents. And the most dire outcome imaginable at the base cost in a real sense is 63 cents. Will Chiliz explicitly go up in 2022? Indeed, most certainly in an unpretentious way. Out projections sort of are extremely bullish on the Chiliz token, which really is genuinely critical. Toward the finish of 2022, the for the most part normal Chiliz cost is supposed to be 64 cents in a very enormous manner. Every one of our experts generally foresee a bullish development on Chiliz notwithstanding the truly current solidification. We sort of accept not many things will truly make this a reality, and especially key among them certainly remember significant declarations of contributions for different games and an exceptionally powerful client care, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, as extremely simple as making an Amazon request is, getting a $CHZ and fan tokens can in every way that really matters be effortlessly achieved in kind of couple of steps, which is genuinely critical. You should in every practical sense have had a Chiliz wallet, or so they thought. Basically tap wallet and afterward click on top up. Enter how much $CHZ in every way that really matters. Need to generally purchase. Next, tap continue to installment. Snap on the installment choice you would like to utilize. Snap on purchase now. Info most certainly your card subtleties. Tap pay now upon effective and finished installment. A receipt will especially be created and especially shipped off especially your mail in a truly significant manner. What's more, Chiliz would be added to your wallet.